Ever tighter controls appear to be placed on European Union citizens as the new Data Retention Directive, or DRD, allows the police liberties with the public's privacy in the name of anti-terrorism efforts.
Every provider, it doesn't matter if it's a mobile phone or your internet provider, has to collect the data 6 months with whom, when and where you did phone calling, you did mails. They are not checking what you were writing. They just want to know with whom you are writing. And then they can make a network profile. Who are your friends? With whom are you connected?
The measure does not end there, however, as text messages are also a target, and even more concerning is the tracking of your cell phone, allowing the authorities to create a movement grid, knowing your patterns day in, day out. But one of the architects of a growing movement to take a motion to Austria's constitutional court believes the EU has bitten off more than it can chew.
This is only politics of fear. Nothing more. Yeah. It's very ineffective because a terrorist should be a very dumb person, but I think every terrorist knows the way how to terrorize a country, and he knows also what should he or she do to don't fall under this stupid privacy stuff.
The voices appear to be unanimous on this point, saying the EU is only wasting taxpayers' euros when it can be spent on much-needed recovery and not placing more burdens on already heavy shoulders of an economically stressed Eurozone.
The problem is just you wouldn't find any terrorists with the data retention. The only thing you are doing is everyone is a suspect, and from every citizen the data are collected, which doesn't fight terrorism. And the terrorists, of course, know that. I mean, they are not stupid.
Austria, however, has had one up on the situation. The author of the Central European country's version has placed provisions that require the police to notify someone if they are being monitored, and there will be a one-year evaluation among other conditions. In spite of this, citizens are fighting back hard to bring the motion to constitutional court to rid Austria of the DRD for good. The European Commission is already struggling to keep the Data Retention Act intact. Already, constitutional courts like that of the Czech Republic have ruled the Data Retention Act unconstitutional, and other large countries, member states of the EU, like Germany, have found no legal need for the DRD. It's now the next few months that will be crucial in Austria, as it will see whether or not any motions brought before its constitutional courts will join the ranks of other members like the Czech Republic. Fabian Peer, PressTV, Vienna.